Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update iOS, install Waze, and grant location permission so voice routing works. Once done, open Waze and tap the magnifying glass to access settings quickly. Make sure sound and phone volume are audible, and pair Bluetooth if you want car audio. These first actions let Waze generate voice prompts immediately. Without them, directions may be silent. Follow these steps now, so the app has permission and audio output selected before we change. Next, you enable the voice within Waze itself. Go to My Waze, tap Settings, then Voice and Sound, choose a voice and set navigation volume to the level you prefer. Make sure Play Sound and Play Voice directions are toggled on so prompts trigger. If connected to Bluetooth, confirm the iPhone is routing media or call audio to your car. Otherwise, Waze may try to play through the phone speaker. Once configured, run a short route to verify voice announcements play as expected. To finish, start a route and listen for turn-by-turn directions. Use Preview Voice in Waze to confirm instantly. If you hear nothing, check the iPhone mute switch, control center volume, and do not disturb. Make sure media audio is allowed. Also verify Bluetooth output selection so audio goes to the correct device. If problems persist, restart the phone, reset network settings, or reinstall Waze after exporting favorites. That usually clears corrupted settings and restores normal voice behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.